Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix Instagram close friends story views not showing. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. First of all guys, what you have to do is just simply open Instagram, and then let me show you here in my story. Here you can see no views yet. It's not showing here any views. So what you have to do is just simply close this page from here and make sure that you have an updated version of Instagram. So here you can see I have an updated version of Instagram, and after that what you have to do is just simply install Instagram Lite. So I have already installed it and open it, and from here you have to log in your account in it, and you have to check that your views are showing or not. If the views are not showing, then what you have to do is just simply open settings, and then let me tell you that this is the most important step, because your storage is full and your cache is full. So that's why you're facing this type of problem. So what you have to do is just simply open Instagram from settings. Here it is, and make sure that you have allowed all the permissions. So I do. If you don't, then you have to allow all the permissions, then force stop the app, then tap on OK, then clear cache and clear storage from here. Okay guys, then go back, and after that check whether the problem has been fixed or not. So if the problem still exists there, then what you have to do is just simply uninstall your Instagram, and then you have to restart your phone. So you have to tap on restart and then reinstall your Instagram app, and after doing all these things, I will guarantee you your problem 100% will be fixed. So that's it guys for today video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.